Hi, this is Darren, and this is my 2013 bike check. Firstly, new frame, Fit Benio, 21 top tube with a 13 back end. Shadow Conspiracy 9.5 Voltus bars with a Fly Ultra stem with some Primo low-tech grips. Gotta love them. And I've got some Fit Blade 2 forks. Got some Fit Bike Co. indent cranks in chrome, 170mm. Premium black pedals, super grippy. Got a little tree sprocket. Everyone thought it was gonna break, but been running for a real long time. To the wheels, got Eclat rims laced with tie spokes to Primo hubs. Got a Fit bar stool, Beaked edition. And that's pretty much it.